Hello and welcome in another video of Cook with Roti Mix. Empty 1 sachet of Blu Mark Roti Mix in a bowl. Today we are making a commonly made Bhakari in any Maharashtrian household. Add 50 ml of water to make a dough. In short, for 1 portion of flour, add little less than half portion of water. Knead it nicely. Grease your hand while kneading. Keep it for 5 to 10 minutes. Spread the dough evenly on the roller board to make a bhakari. Put it on a preheated pan on high flame and apply some water on the upper surface. When lower surface is half roasted, turn it upside down and roast it on a medium flame. Remove the bhakari from the flame and apply ghee or butter and serve it hot.